is September 11th, 7:18, and this helicopter has followed me all the way home from the Ontario Library. And if you pay attention right now, it actually was flying toward, oh, there we go, we're getting some more circling. He is circling around right now. He actually tracked me all the way home. They try to, it does not bother me, it does not faze me. He typically runs off when he hears me reaching for my phone. But it looks like right now he wants to give a demonstration, as though this one instance, if they have some sort of legitimate reason, it does not exist. But some excuse as to his permanent presence everywhere I am. But again, this is another instance of this helicopter circling above where I am located. It is right now 7:19 p.m. on September 11th. It's a Wednesday. And this is actually not the first time today that I've captured this helicopter. It was over off Mountain and 5th when I was leaving Walmart. I've captured it over the past few nights as I left Starbucks. I captured it as I was walking home. I captured it while I was sitting in my car at 12:26 p.m. and again around 12:40 something in the morning. This is just another example of their malicious conduct. That is another airplane right there. See if you can see on this phone, it's another white airplane. They are actually all throughout the sky in different sorts of aircrafts. It's actually kind of pathetic what the government is engaged in at this point, because they are engaged in full throttle surveillance and monitoring, and they're aware of the fact that I am actively working on a case against the government. This is actually them acting out because of that, because I continue to prepare for my case against the government based on this very stalking conduct. This is why. It makes absolutely no sense why the helicopter would surface again when they have full knowledge that I keep taping them every time they do it. And that is not a coincidence that a helicopter appears everywhere that I am, okay? That is an untenable position. So it makes no sense. It in no way helps their position, and it defies logic. It really does. And so what I'm saying is you're looking in the face of corruption, someone that doesn't even care anymore that they're being caught doing what they're doing. It is tortious conduct. It's also criminal conduct. It is egregiously unconstitutional. It's reprehensible. It's disgusting. But what this demonstrates is the malice and the willfulness. Right? This speaks to conduct that is intended to oppress. That is what my intention is in getting this conduct. And they're persistent. They will not stop. And so the helicopter is gone, but for no particular reason, no legitimate reason, it was circling over. It followed me all the way on my walk home. I'm back at Vine and G Street. It is 7:22 p.m. That is a 7-Eleven diagonally, and the helicopter circled above as it typically does above here, and it wanted attention, so I gave it to it. It wanted to give me more footage, so I took it. And so that's what's going on right now while the cars drive by slowly listening. They're all capable of listening to what I'm saying in real time. So what I'm saying is it is a very sick system. This is state stalking. This is the face of corruption. This is exactly what it looks like. This is exactly what it acts like when it has been caught. That's exactly it. That is the same helicopter over there. Still circling this area and listening to everything that I'm saying. Listening to everything that I'm saying.